Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G60S. Start by going into Play Store on both devices and installing an app called Send Anywhere. Following that, choose Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Send on this Motorola device and Receive on Motorola Moto G60S. Now you need to tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will transfer all of those chosen files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one file, choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If yours to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on G60S. Then choose Allow or Only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!